Job number J-2025-3014-2. We're on an emergency service responding to what was a floor drain backup. Upon arrival and sending the camera down the drain, found that the clog had pushed on through. The water had backed up, pooled around the floor drain. It must have built up to a point where enough pressure built up behind the soft stoppage that it self-corrected and the debris pushed on through. Right now we're up to the building cleanout. We're accessing the drain from a 3-inch stack cleanout tee located nearby the floor drain. And this is as far as we're going for today, just for practical reasons on an emergency basis. We're looking at the front building cleanout located by the water meter. Another Y connection at the top. We had some water running down the floor drain to flush out the pipe and observe the flow characteristics. So there's just a little bit of water remaining. It was observed earlier that there was some debris, some toilet paper debris, chunks of toilet paper sitting in various spots along the way here. Some screenshots have been taken that are going to be added to the job. We're branching off on a Y. We're heading now along the basement, the length of the basement area by the bar. We're running parallel with the front wall of the house at the moment. Passing back through a Y. This Y was corrected at some point in the recent past. There was some pitch issues with this Y. We can see the Fernco coupling connection there. And visible is the other Fernco coupling connection here. Passing back through a 45-degree turn, 45 or 22-degree turn, I'm not certain at the moment, but it's angling now across the basement. Y connection visible off to the left. Another Y connection visible on the left. This one at 15 feet is the joint point where the floor drain joins in. Of note is there is another floor drain by the furnace where that Ferncode Y is upstream of that connection point. That floor drain did not back up in conjunction with the floor drain by the exercise room, this one, which leads us to believe that wherever the blockage built up was upstream of that Ferncode Y point. For it to be only affecting one of the two floor drains. Another 45. Now we're running parallel with the wall between our mechanical area where the stack is and the workout room. Going up the base of the stack. Access is through our PVC 3-inch stack, and our floor drain that was backing up is right over here underneath the camera box for the rigid rigid locator box. That's where the backup was happening.